Yeah, hello, here's the lower coach. Lower the law of attraction. What you send out, you get back. What you send out with your own thinking, feelings, and expectation, send out our vibration. Your thinking, feelings, and expectations are like a TV station, like a radio station. You send out vibrations, and your body and the environment responds to this vibration. So if you not like what you create, what you put out, if you not like what's come back to you, you have to change your vibration so you get other results. Change your vibrations and you will get other results. Most people are control freaks. They think they have to change the environment to can feel better. It's like you drive in a city with your car and there is a hole in the road and it bumps and it make you angry, and you tell it to other people, hey, listen, there is a hole, and you bring people together, you go demonstrate for this hole in this street, in this city. Then there come people, yeah, there is another hole in this street, and in this street there is another hole. You find more and more holes in the streets of this city. And you demonstrate and you will fight against, and you fight against the government and fight against the street workers. And you go more and more involved of this, starting with one hole. But stop it, man, stop it. You can't fight against the holes in the street. What you can do, you can put a better shock absorber in your car, or you buy a better car where you not feel the holes so much, and it not make you angry again. Now you're on the right track. You cannot change every hole in the city and in the world. You cannot change other people would behave different, would think different. It's good, you cannot change other people, but you can change your shock observer. You can change how you feel, you can change how you respond to other people. You can change how you respond to your father and mother, to your child, to your husband or wife. You can change how you respond to your boss, to the government, to other people on the street, to other religion. How you can change how you respond to stupid people. You can change how you respond. You not have to control other people, and you cannot control other people like you cannot control the holes in the street. The only thing What you can control is how you feel, how you think, and how you respond to other people. Make yourself free from other people and focus on the only thing what you can control, yourself and how you respond to other people. I'm a lower coach. I can help you to get a better shock observer, to feel better and better in your life. Write me an email. I can coach you round the world over Skype or telephone. See you. Ciao.